before going into this topic of getting deeper insights into the data with great visual experience, before going further in this PPT, I'll just give you a brief points on when we should use Tableau Prep. So Tableau Prep is best used in scenarios where data preparation is a critical step before conducting analysis or creating visualizations. So some of the situations where Tableau Prep is particularly used is like when we need to combine multiple data sources. So in those situations, we use Tableau Prep. Then when our data requires cleaning, standardization, or transformation, then we use Tableau Prep because it provides us the tools to address issues missing values, handling duplicates or handling outliers and inconsistencies. Then if our data set is messy or unstructured, so at that time, like while dealing with raw, unstructured or semi-structured data, we need and like there is a need for us to make that data structured and organized for meaningful analysis, then we use Tableau Prep. Then when additional data needs to be added to an existing data set for purpose like data enrichment, then like to provide more context or enhance our analysis, we use Tableau Prep. Then when we have any kind of specific analysis or visualization in mind, and that cannot be done on the original data set, and we know that what kind of pre-processing or what kind of reshaping of our data set can be done, what kind of aggregations can be performed, and after that we can get our visualization that is in our mind, that is what we demand. In those cases we can use Tableau Prep. Then when we work with large data sets, large volumes of data, Tableau Prep can help streamline the process of cleaning and shaping the data to improve performance in Tableau desktop. Then there is this automated data cleaning and preparation workflows. So like when we need to create repeatable data preparation workflows that can be scheduled for regular updates. So like basically when we need to maintain up-to-date data sets, in those times we can use Tableau Prep. Then when we need to properly document our pre-processing steps, where it is important to maintain transparency and documentation of the data preparation process, including the steps taken, the transformations applied, and the data lineage. At those times, we use Tableau Prep. Then, when the data quality is critical for accurate analysis, Tableau Prep provides tools to identify and address the issues that could impact the integrity of our insights. Then, when we want to streamline the process of preparing data before visualizing it in Tableau desktop, at that time we use Tableau Prep. When we need to quickly understand the distribution, the patterns, and quality of the data before diving into the analysis. When the data needs to be pre-processed and transformed to feed into machine learning models or any advanced analytical algorithms like deep neural network models, in those times we use Tableau Prep. So I'll move forward with this PPT. We'll see getting deeper insights into the data with great visual experience. So Tableau Prep is a brand new product from Tableau designed to help everyone quickly and confidently combine shape and clean their data for analysis. So the direct visual experience gives us a deeper understanding of our data, and smart experiences make data prep easier and more accessible. Plus, it's seamlessly integrated with the Tableau analytical workflow, making it easier to go from data prep to analysis. So Tableau Prep is built around three coordinate views: a data grid to see your row level data, a profile pane to look at profiles of each column, and a flow pane to understand your entire data preparation process. So pick which view to interact with based on the task at hand. And since these views are coordinated, when you make a change in the profile pane, you instantly see the results in the flow pane and data grid. These direct and visual experience makes it easy to see the impact of your changes, giving you greater confidence in your final data set. So yeah, this is what a basic flow would look like. We'll see this. So Tableau Prep is integrated with Tableau analytical workflow, so we can quickly move from data prep to analysis. Open your Tableau Prep flow in Tableau Desktop anytime and share it with your colleagues over Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Tableau Prep uses the Tableau data connectors, calculation language, permissions, and data source certification so you can get up to speed quickly and share your data. Yeah, like this. We just need to right click and go to preview in Tableau Desktop, and it would just show in Tableau Desktop as well.